Hello everyone, my name is Jessica. I'm a mother of two wonderful kids. I have a son named Max and a daughter named Emma. We live in a lovely little home with a front porch and a yard. Our house isn't fancy, but it's warm and filled with joy, giggles, and sometimes a bit of chaos, just like every real family home. Today, I'm going to tell you about my typical day. That means all the activities I do every single day as a busy mom. This video is made especially for English learners. Please don't worry if your English is not perfect. I will speak clearly and slowly. I will choose easy words so everyone can follow along and learn something new. I'll describe my morning time, my midday, and my nighttime too. You will hear everyday English, the type people actually use in normal life. I really hope this helps you improve. You can listen to what I say, discover new vocabulary, and try speaking along with me. So, shall we start? Let's go through my entire day together. I open my eyes at 6 o'clock every morning. The sun hasn't come up yet. The sky is still dark gray and the moon is disappearing. I'm sleepy, but I push myself out of bed. The first thing I do is walk to the bathroom. I splash cold water on my face to wake myself up. Then I brush my teeth carefully. Next, I put on my comfortable sweater and walk downstairs to the kitchen. Everything is silent. Nobody else is awake. The house feels peaceful. I prepare a warm cup of tea for myself. I wrap my hands around the warm cup. I watch the steam floating up and I take my first sip. It tastes good and helps me feel more awake. While I enjoy my tea, I begin preparing breakfast for the family. I make oatmeal and fruit for the children. On special mornings, I bake muffins with chocolate chips inside. Max and Emma absolutely love those muffins. When they see them on the table, their faces light up and they shout, "Wow, muffins for us!" While breakfast cooks, I pack their school lunches. I put in a cheese sandwich, some grapes, a banana, and a small bottle of water. Sometimes I slip in a tiny note that says, "You are amazing," or "Have fun today." At 7 o'clock, I go upstairs to wake the children. Getting them up is never easy. Emma turns away and mumbles, "Just a little longer, Mommy." Max hides under his pillow, but I softly tell them, "Come on, time to start the day." They slowly crawl out of their warm beds. They go wash their faces and brush their teeth. I help Max choose his outfit. He can never decide which shirt to wear. Emma dresses herself now. She's becoming so independent. We all gather around the breakfast table and share the morning meal. We chat a little bit about what's coming today. I say, "Did you pack your homework?" Sometimes they answer, "Yes, Mom." Other times they say, "Oh no, I left my science book upstairs." I check their backpacks carefully. Books, lunch bags, pencil cases, everything must be inside. After we finish eating, I tidy up the kitchen. I rinse the bowls, clean the counters, and put the fruit away in the basket. Then I load the washing machine with dirty clothes and start it. At 8:15, we leave home. I drive both kids to their school. The trip takes around 15 minutes. The morning streets are calm and peaceful. We listen to children's songs or chat about their favorite shows. When we get there, I stop the car near the entrance. I give them each a hug and they rush to meet their classmates. I watch them go, then drive back home slowly. Now my house is empty and quiet again. I sit in my favorite chair, take a deep breath, and drink some cool water. Just me and the stillness. I enjoy these peaceful moments. After about 15 minutes of rest, I continue with my housework. I take the clean laundry out and fold everything neatly. I organize them in the closets, towels in one place, pants in another. I straighten up the bedrooms. I dust the furniture, collect toys from the floor, and vacuum the carpet. Some days I need to go shopping. I walk to a little market down the street. It only takes about 10 minutes on foot. I buy groceries and household items like eggs, yogurt, vegetables, or dish soap.
Good morning. How's everything today?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks. You're shopping early today.
Yes, I need to get a few things. What do you have that's fresh? Today I need eggs, some yogurt, and carrots, please.
Of course. How many eggs do you want?
A dozen, please.
Here you go. And the yogurt. Do you prefer plain or vanilla?
Vanilla, please. My kids prefer the sweet kind.
Good choice. And these carrots just arrived this morning.
Wonderful. Oh, I almost forgot. Do you have any dish soap?
Yes, right here.
Perfect. What's the total?
That will be $7.50.
Here you are. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Take care.
See you soon. I walk back carrying my shopping bags. They're not too heavy, and I feel satisfied knowing I have what my family needs for the next few days. At noon, I make myself lunch. I usually have a salad with chicken or maybe a warm bowl of noodles. I prefer light, nutritious meals. On some days, my friend Karen comes over. We sit outside and enjoy our lunch while talking and laughing. After eating, I wash up the dishes. Sometimes I rest for a little while. I lay down on my bed for about 20 minutes. This short rest gives me fresh energy for the busy afternoon ahead. At 2:45, I get in my car and head back to school. I wait near the gate. The bell rings loudly and kids pour out, jumping and yelling excitedly. My two always look so happy when they spot me waiting. They race to the car shouting, "Mom, I kicked a goal today." Or, "We learned about the ocean." Hearing their excitement warms my heart completely. When we arrive home, they change into casual clothes. They remove their school clothes and put on soft t-shirts and shorts. We have a little snack together, perhaps some cookies, cheese, or fruit slices. After snack time comes homework. We sit together at the dining table. I guide them through spelling, arithmetic, and reading exercises. I make it enjoyable by asking questions and telling jokes. If we finish quickly, the kids can watch their favorite show for 20 minutes or play outside. Meanwhile, I begin planning what to prepare for dinner. Around 5:30, I start cooking our evening meal. I prepare pasta, salad, and sometimes meat or beans. The kids like to help me cook. Emma tears the lettuce for salad. Max arranges the plates and forks on the table. We make a good team working together. We sit down for dinner as a family. We eat, talk, and enjoy each other's company. I ask them, "What was the best part of your day?" They share interesting stories from school. "I made a new friend named Tommy," or "The teacher showed us a cool science experiment." These conversations are my favorite part of the day. When dinner ends, we work together to clean up. I wash the pots and dishes while the children wipe the table and sweep the floor. Then we move to the couch in the living room. We might play a board game together or read stories. Sometimes we watch a family movie. This is our relaxing, peaceful time together. At 8 o'clock, it's time for baths. The children take turns in the bathroom. Emma needs my help washing her hair. Max does everything on his own now. He's getting older every day. After bathing, they brush their teeth again and change into their soft pajamas. Before sleeping, we always read together. I let them pick the book. One night it might be about pirates, another night about friendship. I read with expression, changing my voice for every different character in the story. They sit close to me, listening quietly, their eyes sparkling with imagination. At 9 o'clock, I tuck them into bed. I pull the blankets up to their chins. I give each one a gentle kiss and whisper, "Sweet dreams. I love you both so much." They whisper back, "Love you too, Mommy." Then I turn off the lamp and close the door softly. The house becomes silent once more. I make myself a cup of warm milk and sit quietly. My body is tired, but my heart is full and content. This is my everyday life. I do so many tasks from sunrise to sunset. I care for my children, clean our home, prepare meals, help with schoolwork, and give endless love. It's hard work, but I truly love being their mother. Every single day has its own rhythm. Some days are harder, some days are easier, but they all matter. I wake up early, I stay busy. I rest when I can. I sleep when the day ends. It's not always simple, but it's beautiful. Being a mom is challenging, but I treasure all the little moments, the conversations during meals, the bedtime stories, watching my children grow and learn. These moments fill me with happiness and make everything worth it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for your English learning journey. Did you hear some new words? Could you follow my story from beginning to end? You can play this video again and again to practice your listening. You can write down useful words and phrases in your notebook. You can also try talking about your own daily routine in English. Maybe record yourself speaking and listen back. Making mistakes is completely normal and okay. Never give up on learning. Each day you practice, you become better and better. Thank you so much for watching and for spending this time with me. I'm grateful I could share my daily life with you. If you enjoyed this kind of lesson and want to see more videos like this one, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Daily Speak, and click the bell icon so you get notified every time we post something new. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and keep practicing your English. Goodbye for now.